Hello, how are you? In this video we're going to talk about how to create season rates. To do it, go to Tools, select Rate, and click on New button. In Code, depending on which agent are we working with, set the agent code. I'm working with test agent 2. I'm using the code that is TA2. Effective date is only for season rate, so we set a date when the season will start. In this case, I will start in July 1st. Setting expiration date, the final effective date for the rate. In this case, I will put July 31st. The season rate is only for 1 month. Set the currency. I will let it in dollars because it's the most used. Then go to the log part where we're going to set the origin city, destination city, and commodity. Depending on this information, the rate will be taken by the airway bill or not. I will put here. Okay. Also, even when here we see only the values of origin, destination, and commodity, these values can be configured depending on the company. Here we see there are more spaces. At the right side, we can put a note about this rate. Then go below and set the rate values. The range without numbers is the minimum, which is a usual bigger value than the other rate values. Since the second line will have rate value that goes until 99.99, the one that goes until 499.99, the third that goes until 999.99, and the last one that is from 1000 and above. Let's set the information. First, the minimum, that is usually bigger value. Then the other values that are usually the same or very close in value. There is also space for setting other taxes that are not mandatory. Once all values are registered, click on Save button. System asks if this is a season rate. Yes, this is a season rate, so it is created. Once the information is saved, you must select this button with a person. If there is no agent, we must click on Add Member, look for the agent, and double-click to add it. But here, because we've put the code and the agent already has rates, it is automatic. It's important that the agent is associated. Otherwise, rate won't be taken by the system when working with an airway bill with that agent and season. If we want to edit the rate, press Edit button, the pencil, and add or modify the required information. When finished, press Save button. Anytime you save a season rate, this message will appear. We say yes. If we want to delete this rate, click on Delete button, the trash can. System will ask if we're sure. When click on Yes, rate will be deleted. I don't want to delete it, so I say no. If we want to search for a season rate, close this window and double-click on Rate. System will show the rate searching window. If we know origin and destination, set them and check in this all. In rate code, set the agent code and also uncheck all. Check all. Set the rate code. Click on Search button and all rates corresponding to the filters will appear. Select the one we're looking for and double-click on it. Here we have 2, but we need here the season 1 that goes from July 1st to July 31st. Double click and we'll see all rates information, and we'll be able to edit or delete the same way indicated before. We must keep in mind that if there is no season rate, system will take contract rate for the agent we're working with, and if there is no contract rate, system will take the standard rate. And that's all about the creation of season rates. Thank you very much for watching this video.